Welcome everyone on the Hard Reset Info channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to switch on or off the area capturing outline in Battlefield 6. Enjoy watching! So, in the beginning you should click here on the gear icons to open the settings. Now on the second tab here, gameplay, you should see the fourth option in global tab, it's capture area outline. You should switch it on or off. I prefer to leave it on because I like to see the outlines when some area is capturing. It's more visible while playing this game because a lot of happens when you are on the battlefield. So you should leave it on, but if you don't like it, then switch it off. All depends on your own preferences. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!